Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. We have an old door here, and you can see we've really carved it out. That's because of the striker here, and you can see that the wall is in the way. So they've done what they can. It's secured on with a couple of self-tappers. It's leaning out just a little bit, so it's coming out there. So obviously they've just carved the door out to compensate it. But now, as you can see what's happening, it's touching there, closing the doors, touching on the strike. So we're going to have to do some sort of repair here. Down the bottom is okay, the gap is good, it gets bigger and bigger gradually as the door goes up. So what my plan of attack is I'm going to pop the pin, bend the hinges back on the door side of things, or even on the frame side of things, try and reduce that gap. Once I reduce that gap, then we should be able to have a door that's closing. If it's not closing at that stage, I'll have to give it a light sand. I've got my sanding disc on my grinder, make a whole heap of dust. We'll also need to look at the lock as well. Look at that, see the latch, it's in there. So I'm going to swap out that for another night latch. I'll keep the cylinder because it's for a power room, and then we should be lockable. It just needs to be lockable, it doesn't need to be fancy. Alright, let's go. Shifted that way. Yeah. Alright, so that's the hinge move. Let's check the gap. Oh, beautiful. No sanding required. Top to bottom. Yes. Okay, I'm happy with that. So that's a genuine Lockwood night latch. And yeah, there's no point saving that, that's gone. So we're going to put on a Carver night latch. Just checking screw length to make sure we're not going to pop through the door. I think we'll be alright. I'll double check. Because we do not want to pop through this door. Put that in there. They're nice big long screws, so we want to use them. We're going to make it by 5mm. There goes 1, 2. Checking, it's lined up my eye, yep, it's good. Horrible screws. Got a broken screw in the back there, and it's going to cost me. Okay, self-latching, yep, easy enough to get out. Now we have to check the key actually works. So we need to check the right key. Where's the right key? Okay, so master key. Cylinder's a little clicky, let's test it. So locked, unlocked. Beautiful. So it wasn't too bad. You can see that, oh, that's what it is. Door opens all the way, self-locking. So when the meter person wants to, they can just simply slam the lock. The key works. If this lock wasn't centered, the key would be tight, but it works, so that's good. Next option is, can we lock this, and can we undo this? No. This locking function is undesirable, but it's there. If somebody wants to lock themselves in this room with the power meter, they can. That's what the old one had, so we're pretty much just replacing like for like. As you see, it has the switch there, but really it's not really that necessary. Okay, so night latch and door repair. Leave your comments down below. Thanks for watching.